Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Aries. Take only what resonates. Feel free na mag-comment sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. And please do subscribe na rin. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, help our channel grow. Ayan. For Aries, meron akong TikTok ha. Paki-follow na lang din ako doon. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Isang shuffle na lang, tapos simulan na natin. Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yon, open sa personal reading. Feel free to check her out. Facebook. Ayan, paki-search na lang. Okay, a lot of new beginnings, guys. Actually, kanina pa ako nagre-reading sa ibang signs, sa ibang channel. And hindi nawawala itong Ace of Wands. And this is a new beginning. Especially nagkaroon ng solar eclipse. And it's a new moon. Ayan. And yung epekto nitong solar eclipse is nararamdaman pa. And new moon is nagpapakita yon or nagsisignify yon ng new beginnings for everyone. New beginnings. A lot of new beginnings. And some of you, Aries, nakakita tayo ng new friends. These people in your life na dumadating, kailangan mong i-acknowledge yung pagdating nila. Okay? Bakit? Wait lang, guys. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, Aries. Kasi malaki yung mako-contribute nila sa mga new beginning sa buhay mo. For some of you, etong mga taong ito, pwedeng makatulong sila sa'yo with regards to money, new sources of income, new career, ayan. Or yung iba, new skills. Pwedeng may matutunan ka dito sa mga bagong tao na ito na parang hindi lang kaibigan, but anyway, new people, strangers, pwede. Na parang malalaman mo, oy, parang maganda yung ginagawa mo, paano mo ba ginagawa yan? And then, dahil nakuha niya yung attention mo, pwedeng magustuhan mo rin and then maidagdag mo sa skills mo, etc. So itong mga bagong tao sa buhay mo na paparating ay nagpapakita ng growth para sa'yo. Like they are there in your life kasi may purpose, kasi may dapat kang makilala or matutunan. Some of you, big change with regards to kaalaman and yun nga, money change for you. Okay? And maaaring makarelate ka doon sa mga ginagawa nila. Maganda rin ito kasi kung ano man yung mga matututunan mo, magbibigay ito sa'yo ng pagtaas ng iyong self-esteem. Okay? And maaaring may mga bagay na ma-accomplish ka dahil dito sa tulong nitong mga taong ito. Yan. Especially the magician is here. To me, it looks like skills, gaining something, learning something. Okay? Tell me more for the sign of Aries, please, for the sign of Aries. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. This is money. And Page of Cups. Pwedeng someone is going to offer you something na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng money. And some of you, this could be an offer of travel. Yeah, Knight of Cups is here. Lalo na nga na may mga naipamalas ka or naipakita ka na talento or whatever na pwedeng nakita nitong mga ito na parang, oy, dapat kang mapunta dito sa lugar na to for you to become famous or for you na mailabas mo yung mga talents na yan, skills na yan. And ito yung time na dapat talaga makipag-communicate ka. Kasi malaki yung mai-grow mo once na nakipag-communicate ka. And, yeah. There's a lot of luck and swerte sa tabi mo because of this. Let's talk about your love life, Aries. For the sign of Aries. Love for the sign of Aries, please. Messages pagdating sa love for the sign of Aries. One last shuffle. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay. Love messages for the sign of Aries. Nine of Cups. Some of you, meron ka mga options. Another new option is coming. May bagong option na dadating. And this person is sasabihin niya sa'yo kung ano yung decision niya or anong gusto niya mangyari. Two of Swords, may kailangan kang gawing decision regarding dito. Nine of Pentacles. I can see a lot of acknowledgements. Alam mo, maraming humahanga sa'yo. Sabi ko nga sa kung ano yung meron ka, ano yung mga skills na meron ka, etc. The Two of Wands is here, so someone here is planning something for you. Lalo na kung ikaw ito yung marami ng victory na nararanasan. Kung wala ka pang, kung hindi pa ganon karami, isa pa lang, dagdagan mo. You need to be more victorious. Kasi itong taong ito is already watching you. And pwedeng hinihintay niya pa. Hindi naman hinihintay. Pero napupukaw mo na yung attention niya. Okay? Nasa iyo na ang attention nitong taong to. Ngayon, hindi lang siya pa nagtitake ng actions kasi nakikita natin yung pagtitake niya ng actions is once na marami na, patong-patong na yung accomplishment or yung victory na nararanasan mo. Okay? So, focus on yourself. Do not focus on love kasi ito yung time mo para magkaroon ng expansion, growth, etc. But, you do have here the Seven of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles, Judgment, the Emperor, the Tower is here at the bottom of the deck. I can see someone who is going to, lalapit sa'yo and tell you something like kailangan ka niya. Kasi something is ending. Like this person is facing his or her karma. So in the future, may person na pwedeng makipag-usap sa'yo and then this person will tell you something about, pwedeng umutang, guys. And this person is taking the risk dahil sa mga endings na nararanasan niya dito. But you do have here the Queen of Swords. The energy here is maging matigas ka. Problema niya yun, Bakit mo po problema ng problema ng iba? The way I say this is that yung person na yun is facing his or her karma. At, of course, you are the Emperor. Aries energy. Kailangan mong magmatigas. Why? Honestly speaking, kung ito ay may kinalaman sa pagpapautang, hindi ko nakikitang mababayaran ka. So, if you want na makatulong, kung ano lang yung kaya mong ibigay or kung ano lang yung kaya mong itapon, yung parang hindi mo naiisipin itong perang ito. For example, this person is asking for, let's say, 1,000 pesos, o kunwari lang, and then give this person at least like siguro 50 or 200 and then just say, pasensya ka na, ito lang ang meron ako, ayan. Pero wag mo sabihin na, na parang, sa'yo na yan, kahit huwag mo nang bayaran, parang gano'n. But rather, kasi pwedeng masyado siyang matuwa sa kabaitan mo, din ang ending is umulit. You know what I mean? Sabi mo na lang, pasensya ka na, ito lang ang meron ako. And then, of course, huwag ka na mag-expect. Nagigets mo yung doon. Anyway, kung babayaran, edi very good, diba? Thank you. But the way I see this person is really problematic. Marami siyang accomplishment, but those accomplishments, wala tayong nakikitang pera doon. Bigyan kita ng example. But I don't I mean, example lang to pero hindi ko ito dinadown. Hindi ko, for example, yung winning some kind of victory sa games, like basketball, volleyball, hindi ko dinadown, guys. But some of you pwedeng ganun. May mga trophies itong taong to, but then it's an accomplishment. Pinaghirapan niya. The problem is there's no money in there. Alam mo yun. And, yeah. I mean, be careful dito sa mga taong to. Ayun lang. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Pa-comment na lang po sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang. Malaking bagay yan sa akin. I love you. Bye-bye.